everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make project management simple. So today we're going to be diving into a critical skill, and that is to take meeting minutes. So okay, let's talk about the importance behind taking effective meeting minutes and how a template might aid you in that endeavor. So the first one is that it provides clarity and accountability, meaning it clearly documents who is responsible for what task and the decision that has been made. 2, it provides a reference point. It acts as the historical record for the team to avoid particularly he says. And then finally, it improves productivity, allowing basically your team to spend less time on digging out historical discussions and emails and really just focus on the task on hand. Alright guys, so here is a meeting minute template that I've designed, where the intention is to give you a foundation to work from, and this template is unlocked, meaning you can go away and modify this to your heart's content. So what I'm going to do is pre-fill out some of the tables just to give you a sense of what it's like to actually use this template, and from there I'll then quickly go back to provide just some really quick explanation as to what each field means. Hopefully these are all going to be quite self-explanatory. So if you bear with me for a minute, I'll just quickly fill these in. Alright, cool. Starting at the very top, and you can see what I've done was the project name. Whatever your project name is, give it a name. The release date, so going from the calendar drop-down menu, simply select the date that you intend to release the meeting minutes. From here, the distribution list is really the formality of just detailing out who you'll be circulating the meeting minutes to. And as you can see, just typical roles that you might find in a project, going from project sponsors all the way down to a project coordinator. In the actions items table, looking at the first example, this is to add a blue user interface. I've selected the in progress status and set the priority to low. The owner, or the person that's going to be actioning this task, will be myself, and simply giving it a date that I've assigned this task out. And you can use this field however you wish. Perhaps use it as a way to document each progression of the task each time you do formally meet up with your team, as an example. Next is the key decisions table. So here, just using a random example about finance having additional application features, I've selected the status that's currently being reviewed and set the priority to medium and set the owner as myself. In terms of the priority matrix, I've come up with the following. You could use whichever you desire. There's tons of different examples out there. But again, this is a template after all. The intention is to give you some form of foundation, and you can modify this to your heart's content. So there we have it. This is how you go about in using a meeting minutes template in order to keep things consistent and help you not miss anything important that would hinder the progression of your project. So if you like the template that I just walked you guys through, it's actually downloadable in the link that I've provided in the description below. So if you found this video overall helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a tutorial. And perhaps in the comments below, just let me know what you would like to see next.